Kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Anu Auntie. And today, you know what we are going to do? We are going to make a simple cartoon character, children. Absolutely simple cartoon character. No canvas paintings. I had already prepared myself. So I have taken this gulla. See, I have taken this gulla. This is a brown tape which I have taken. You can take anything which is circular in shape. So you just have to make a circle. If you are expert in making circles without a instrument, you can do it freehand also. I don't mind. Okay, after doing this, what you are supposed to do is you have to write two standing lines, or you can write an H. So you can write an H here. H is a simple word, yes. That would be better if you write, but remember your H has to be inside this. Matlab this has to be a little bigger and this has to be a little smaller. Now what you will do is you will put two circles here, one here. These circles are not going to be very chumukala, okay? You have to make it a little bigger, and one here. After you make this, what you are supposed to do, from here you are going to come down here, and from here you are going to go up here. Understood? So you're going to do this part. After this, very simple, you have to make Ardha Chandra, then Ardha Chandra, and then again one Ardha Chandra. Okay, this is the Doraemon's pocket where he keeps all his gadgets. Now you just have to make the chain like that. Okay, then you have to make a circular part with the lollipop in between. Okay, simple. Now close this. Make one tingu here, make one tingu here, again close this, make one tingu here, and one standing line here. So the legs are done. Okay, so you can make the tail like that, a lollipop here. So this will be the antenna wala tail. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put two big ovals here. Okay, and then Nargundu inside and Nargundu inside. Okay, after doing this, from the center part of the oval, you're going to take a down here, you're going to take a down here, you're going to make a nose, then a big fat smile. Okay, everything of ours is always smiling. Now one line here and three aisa bal idhar, three aisa bal idhar. So our Doraemon is done. Now what you can do is just put a tingu on his head with one dandi and like an helicopter, like he keeps on flying with Lobita. So this is an easy way to make a Doraemon. Okay, and then you make this line dividing the land and the sky. That's it. Now what I'll do is I'll just sketch it and come back to you. Okay children, I've done the sketching, and not what we are supposed to do. Ye yellow color मेरे हाथ में first आ गया था. So I'll start with the yellow color and I'll make the bell over here yellow, and this helicopter like wings yellow. Now what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to take a red color and let's make not the tongue, the upper part of the mouth, this part. See this part, let us make it red. Okay, first do the borders and then slowly color inside. This is how you have to color. Okay, now you use your pink color. There is still red to be done, so let us complete the red first. So the chain here, the chain, or I don't know what it is, but I just know that he is a robot cat. Okay, this is also red and this is also red. So first let us complete all the reds. Now I've taken my pink color, children. I just want to ask you all one thing. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है what I should do. I try to make difficult drawings. I try to make simple drawings. I'm not sure. पता है मेरे को confusion हो जाता है कि what sort of drawing should I do. Then I feel कि मैंने अपने चिनू मिनूस के लिए कुछ नहीं बनाया, the simple ones. Then I feel नहीं, today I should make a simple one. Or I was ready with my canvas as it is today, but then you know मेरा दिल नहीं मान रहा था because I had not done anything for my younger children, you know, who learns with shapes. I had made few drawings earlier, लेकिन then I had not colored because my colors were khalas. I had only my canvas and my acrylic colors with me, so I was doing only painting. Then I said let's make some videos, and then I made my, you know, that I made few birds ka series, then I made the different positions of cats, but I don't think so you all are interested in that. Anyways, do what interests you. This is a simple Dora, a Doraemon, not a Dora. We'll make a Dora we'll make a Dora as well, so no problems if we haven't made one, we can make one as well. This is white, so we leave it as it is. We are not doing any shading because it is for my Chinu Minus and I don't want them to get confused at all. Okay, but yes, we should color the complete paper. That is what I believe in. You should always make the entire paper very colorful. So you can take your yellow ochre, children, to do the lower part. Now for Chinu Minus, okay, I'll have to remove a little bit of its upar ka part. What I advise my Chinu Minus is, like, first you do the borders. That is how I teach everybody. First do your borders. After you do your borders, yeah, now your borders are done. So what are you going to do is divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after you divide it into 4, then you start filling it in such a way that there is not a single part of white left anywhere. Okay, and remember, if you don't want to break your color, you have to hold it from here and you have to do it chapak and then do it. So in this pattern, you don't break your colors very often. So this is a way, the trick, when you don't break your colors. And then if you don't even get tired, because once you do 1, 2, 3, 4, then you feel, हाँ मेरा 1 number complete, मतलब मेरा एक टारगेट ख़त्म हो गया, दूसरा टारगेट ख़त्म हो गया, तीसरा टारगेट, ये हमारा तीसरा टारगेट भी ख़त्म हो गया, है ना. So this makes it a little faster and enjoyable, both. So I have made the Jameen for my Doraemon. And I'm wondering, I've done it blue, so the sky cannot be the same blue. We'll have to change. We can do Pareshan blue if you wish. So yes, the down part is done, and now we will take a different color for the sky. I have my cerulean blue, so we shall use cerulean blue. Okay, now I have my cerulean blue with me. Now I feel that either Doraemon already is blue in color, so what we can do is we can put few clouds. Now we can put few clouds here and there, so that you know the color is a bit. Abhi I will tell you the trick what has to be done inside the clouds. We'll do it white. Now we shall make the borders first. Okay, now this is my first part, correct? So what I'll do is I will color this part first. I'll color half of it and then I'll show you, and then the remaining half also, of course, I'm going to color. So what I can do is I can keep my mouth shut and just forward a little part of it, so that it is not boring for you all. But I can't help it, you know, I can't help it at all. I keep on doing chabad. And then I just wanted to teach you all how cloud ka shading can be done. That is why I said let me do one part, and then the rest of the part I will just complete and I will put the finished product in front of you. So I have left one cloud here. I have used my cerulean blue, children. Now what are we going to do is we are going to take a whites, clean your white, and now what you're going to do is just do gully gully on the corners of your white blues, correct? You just do gully gully here, and then you take the remaining color inside and in a gully gully mat fashion. Okay, this is the way you can do the shading of the cloud. It looks pretty, है ना? It looks pretty. So this is a cloud which is made. So a cloud is made here. Similarly, we will do this cloud. Now I'm going to skip the entire part, do it, and then I will show you the finished product. Okay, because it's no use. I've shown you how it is to be done. Now the remaining part is to be done, and the finished product should be in front of you. Okay, wait. Okay children, done. This is completely done. Now the only finishing part, that is the makeup part, which is to be done. You can take your 10B, 11B, 12B, 15B, 16B, कोई भी बड़ी dark pencil लेके you can just redo your sketch pens. You know, once you redo, उसमें एकदम एक अलग सी shine आ जाती है. So you should always redo your entire drawing, okay? So once you do your entire drawing, it is ready to be published. Okay, so please do it and keep on sending it on canvas and scissors. Children, I have to send whatever you all paint and you all send me, I send it to Kishore. What is Kishore? Kishore is a monthly magazine which is published in Maharashtra. So I always tell you all, please do send us the paintings on canvas and scissors. So one day it is published, summer day it might be published, yaar. You should keep on trying. Even I keep on trying. All my drawings are not a super hit, correct? But then I don't lose hope. I keep on trying. Somebody told me to do canvas, I started doing canvas. Somebody told me to do elementary intermediate, वो भी मैंने करा. मेरे को जो कोई बोलता है मैं वो करती हूँ. Not everything is कामयाब, correct? But then you should not lose your hopes. And you should keep on doing. See, I have already prepared. Can you see my Ganpatis here? Then I have done this, you know, a Ganpati sleeping on a damru. वो damru ही होता ना ऐसा वाला. Then I have made one Ganpati with all the modaks and all. Now all this I am supposed to make, but I'll not make videos of this because I think so it's getting bored. You all are getting bored with the canvas on acrylic. So these are nice and good. So do make it and post it on canvas and scissors. And once you are posted on canvas and scissors, I'm going to send it across to Kishore and let's see if it gets published. Okay, all the best children, and keep making and make me happy. Bye bye.